Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Ongoing information shows Ethereum for the most part is exchanging at $3,415. Our Ethereum truly long-haul conjecture for 2050 recommends ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $222,817 and $240,058 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum ETH fundamentally is estimated to by and large arrive at a typical cost of $1,009.22 toward 2025 and in all things considered, huge ways end. Experts project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $52,299 mark, which fundamentally is very huge. Ethereum ETH sort of is expected to especially arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $198,943 constantly 2040 in a significant manner. Starting around 01 walk 2024 Ethereum is exchanging at $3,415 in term of its US rate with a value change of 24% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. ETH for the most part has a really all-out market cap of $410,336.31 at 24 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,943.96,610, which sort of is very critical. This basically makes Ethereum ETH especially positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Ethereum be most certainly worth in 2024 or so they really thought? Is Ethereum an all things considered wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024 in a fundamentally enormous manner? Will ETH cost basically outperform its record-breaking genuinely high in a kind of significant manner? These most certainly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, showing how ongoing information shows Ethereum in every practical sense is exchanging at $3,415 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum figure. Cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ETH cost really is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $4,966. The normal genuinely least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to especially be $4,793, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Besides, ETH can for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $5,534, which certainly is genuinely critical. Ethereum value conjecture February 2024. In February 2024, the kind of most extreme cost for Ethereum could sort of stretch around $3,729 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in February 2024 really is $3,315 with a for the most part normal cost of $3,626, which basically is very huge. Ethereum ETH value expectation walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Ethereum cost truly is figured to especially arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $3,525 as opposed to mainstream thinking. The ETH cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $3,874 with a kind of typical expected cost around $3,698, which really is very critical. Ethereum value conjecture April 2024. The genuinely normal cost of Ethereum ETH could explicitly go to $3,809 toward the finish of April 2024. ETH could be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $422 with the especially least expected cost of $3,636, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum value expectation May 2024. The cost of Ethereum generally is explicitly anticipated to for the most part reach at a fundamentally least worth of $3,751 in May 2024, so Ethereum ETH value forecast walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Ethereum cost is conjectured to in every way that really matters arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of $3,525, which basically is genuinely critical. The ETH cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $4,174 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $3,023 all through 2024. ETH value estimate June 2024. With respect to June Zone 24, Ethereum is supposed to generally arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $3,908, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ETH cost could especially arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $4,371 with the really normal cost around $480 in an unpretentious manner. ETH value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Ethereum in every way that really matters is determined to generally be at around an extremely least worth of $471, showing how besides ETH can basically arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $534, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Ethereum value worth can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of $4,534 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $4,243 in USD really in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Ethereum basically is supposed to really be at around and in every practical sense least of $4,240, essentially further appearance how these by and large are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, showing how continuous information shows Ethereum is exchanging at $3,415, which sort of is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost can really arrive at a by and large limit of $4,703 with the especially normal cost of $4,413 in USD in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum ETH value expectation September 2024. The cost for Ethereum in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $4,417 and $4,924 or so. They truly thought. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $4,590, showing the way that the ETH cost could generally arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $4,174 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $3,923 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum value figure October 2024. The very normal cost of Ethereum ETH could go to $4,681 toward the finish of October 2024, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. ETH could generally be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $5,108 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $4,509, which is genuinely huge. Ethereum ETH value expectation November 2024. The cost for Ethereum in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $4,637 and $5,295, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $4,775 in a significant manner. Ethereum value expectation December 2024. Ethereum cost in every practical sense is supposed to for the most part reach between $4,793 to $5,534 in December 2024, while the essentially normal cost of ETH for the December explicitly remains around $49.66 Ethereum kind of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been in every